Now that you've learned how to tell time and you've learned that you need to look at the hour hand first, and that's the shorter hand, and then you look at the minute hand, and that's the longer hand. Whenever it's pointing to 12, we say o'clock. Using your clock, you are going to look at the time that I give you, show the time on your clock. I'll give you a second to do that, and then you'll check it when I go to the next slide. So the first time my clock shows 4 o'clock because the hour hand's at the 4 and the minute hand's at the 12. So we say 4 o'clock. So now it's going to be your turn to practice. The time that I want you to show on your clock is 1 o'clock. So make sure to move that short hand, the hour hand first, and then move your longer hand. Go ahead and show 1 o'clock. Let's check to see if you are right. This is what the clock looks like when it shows 1 o'clock. Were you right? Let's try another one. This time I want you to show 3 o'clock. I'll give you a second to do that. Remember to move the hour hand first. Look at your clock. Were you right? 3 o'clock. Great job. Let's do another one. This time I want you to show 6 o'clock. Look at the time. The hour hand is pointing down to the 6. The minute hand, which is the long hand, is pointing up to the 12. And whenever it points to the 12, we say o'clock. Were you right? Wonderful job. Let's try one more. This time I want you to show 10 o'clock. Let's check it. This is what the clock face looks like when it is 10 o'clock. How many did you get right? Now, you're going to do an activity that shows me that you understand. The activity that you are going to do looks like this. It has a bunch of clock faces and they show different times of the day. And then you have the times that match down at the bottom. Before you start cutting and gluing, I want you to write all the times first. With your pencil, write all the times. After you've written all the times, then you can cut out the times and match them to the correct clock face. When you are finished, make sure your name is at the top. And then you can practice making these times on your clock until we're ready to move on. Good luck!